In this Fresh Farm video, we're looking at beets. Beets are a type of root vegetable that grows best in cool weather, so they're usually available in the spring and fall. You can find beets with their greens attached or without. If they are attached, keep in mind the greens are edible and you can use them the same way you'd use and prepare spinach. If you're not going to use your beets right away, first separate the beets from the greens. To store the beets, place them in a plastic bag and put them in the crisper drawer of your fridge. They can stay like this for up to 2 weeks. To store the greens, first wash them to remove any dirt or grit. Then gently dry them. Once dry, wrap them in a paper towel and place them in a plastic bag. Then store them in your crisper drawer. They will stay fresh for only 2 to 3 days. When you're ready to use your beets, be sure to give them a good scrub. One way to enjoy beets is to peel them, then shred them, and add them to carrots and apples for a delicious snack called ABC salad. And the recipe for ABC salad can be found on the Fresh Farm recipe page. Beets can also be roasted. Just cut them into pieces, toss them onto a sheet pan with some oil, maybe add a little salt or pepper or whatever seasonings you might like, and let them roast until tender. Beets are delicious to eat by themselves, or in a salad, or as a side dish to your main meal. There are many ways to enjoy beets, so feel free to explore the Fresh Farm recipe page and have fun cooking.